Welcome. Thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro, and you're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel. Day trading for an ROI payout, but no trade recommendations because it's just my trade journal. So we've got price action order flow levels for Monday, June 5th, 2023, and it's just a 12.5 handle range so far. We'll cover three charts, 24-hour, 60-minute, and the Renko. Little price actions, some imbalances, draws on liquidity, and order flow levels. So let's get at it. 24-hour chart. So this is what 12.5 handles looks like, this black doji. So we have the new week open at 4288.50, and there was no real gap. Maybe a quarter of a point, maybe one tick. That's it. So it's not meaningful. Where is the nearest new week open gap? That'd be below us, and that's down here on the May 29th. 4230 is the top of that, and the open was June 2nd, Friday at 4255, and the volume weighted average price, the VWAP, 4272. So this is it. Upper Bollinger Band, I made a post on my Twitter about this being day two. So we pierced it strong with emphasis on Friday, and we are hanging out right now at the top of the upper Bollinger Band. So that's a big deal to have that still happening. So I don't think this thing drifts down on a Monday necessarily, but so far the low is 80.50 and the high being 92.75. So other than that, all this business is below the new week open gap on the prior days of late May and early June. Let's go to the next chart on the 60-minute for structure. Okay, 60 minutes. So you can see here we're just day after a major trend up, and we're respecting so far this red rectangle here. So I've got that as a possible bearish order block, at least my interpretation of one, based on this candle here, which was an hour before the close on Friday. And what I'm looking at right now is the London open 42.87, New York midnight open, and what's price going to do. The pivot's down here at 71.75, and again, just 12.5 handle range. So this is the structure. Not a lot to write home about on this one. Let's go to the Renko. Renko, Friday, ramp, camp, all the way upper Keltners for hours in the RTH. So that was the story, and here we are Monday, Globex. We're not doing any more upper blue Keltners. We're above the mid Keltner, though. We've got that coming in at 4282.25 and change. So 8250 is a zone I'm looking at. But basically, the more I look at these charts, the more I don't want to trade this Monday at all. I've had a sequence or two, short, scalp, and again, on a 12-handle range. I'm looking at the futures contract roll over here in the next few days. And that means we've got calendar spread traders in the mix. So I've got to be cautious about as we get closer to the end of the week on how that's going to shape up. So there you have it. Not a lot here. If we do hit 82.75, 82.50, that's where I'm looking right now as my level. And again, with the Renko red, that is a tell that maybe we get that dip. But anything below that, I would have to say, where's the catalyst going to come from? So I don't see it right now, and maybe it doesn't happen until Tuesday or Wednesday. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Aloha. Bye.